In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the display language in Google Chrome. Whether you're bilingual, learning a new language, or just prefer to browse the web in something other than English, this is a very handy feature to know about. We're going to walk through each step carefully, so you'll finish this video feeling confident about managing the language settings in your browser. Let's get started by launching Google Chrome. At the top right corner of your browser window, you're going to notice 3 vertical dots. This is your menu icon. Go ahead and click on that to open up a drop-down menu. Now, from this menu, you'll want to move down and click on Settings. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize how Chrome behaves to suit your preferences. Once you've selected Settings, you'll notice several options on the left-hand side of the page. These are various categories you can explore to tweak Chrome. For today's task, you'll want to focus on Languages. Click on Languages to open up the Language Settings panel. This interface is quite intuitive and easy to navigate, so it won't take long at all. Now, you're going to want to add a new language. There's a button right there labeled Add Languages. Clicking on it will bring up a list of languages that Google Chrome supports. In this list, you can scroll through or use the search bar to quickly find the language you're interested in adding. Once you've spotted your desired language, select it and hit Add. This will bring your chosen language into the fold as one of the options available in Chrome. After you've added the language, it will appear in your language list. Look to the right of the language and you'll see another set of 3 dots. Clicking on these will provide you some additional options related to the language. Choose Display Google Chrome in this language from the options. By selecting this, you're telling Chrome that you want it to switch its display language to your chosen option, making the interface consistent with that language. Lastly, you'll need to do a quick restart of the browser to apply these changes. Simply click Restart when prompted, and Chrome will close and open back up, now fully in the language you've set. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've just changed the display language in Google Chrome. If you ever need to revert back or try another language, you can follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing the internet in the language that suits you best.